Hello everyone, I am happy to be here share this report with you. My name is Yun Yi, and I am here to talk about EcoApp software agriculture and design partner. This is a mobile app designed to promote environment protection and eco-friendly behavior. Today I will talk about four main parts. First, I will explain introduction. Second, I will share design consideration. Third, I will show sustainable design partners. Next, I will give my conclusion. In today's world of increasing environment change, sustainable software is becoming more important than ever. EcoApp is designed to help users live more sustainable through smarter agriculture and green design. Why does sustainable design matter? Sustainable software can reduce energy, cut carbon emissions, make the race last longer, and reduce errors. Moreover, software can also guide users to build green habits in daily life. When software uses electricity, which aims to combat emissions, apps like EcoApp can harm the environment if they use too much power. Things like background screening and hard calculation use more energy. Frequent updates and heavy tests can make decisions out faster, causing more errors. EcoApp focuses on three core design considerations. First is energy efficiency, second is resource consumption, and third is social impact. These areas together build a great efficiency and social impactful app system. To save power, we can use a flexible background process. Check like combine footpath calculation when during change or idle times. In addition, we in place power arrange scheduling. The app rush between three models based on battery and CPU level. For example, in power saving model, crash reference is slowed down and animation are disabled. To reduce memory and CPU usage, we use the three-level caching system. The first level is the memory cache, which is used to hold high-frequency data. The second layer uses SQLater for offline data line change. The fifth layer joins HQ combined footprint with cross as flags. We also use lazy loading and result list, rendering only the reachable paths on the screen. The cache demand currently adjusts resolution based on device performance. EcoApp's goal is not only to save in energy, but also to encourage great action. We can use gamification to motivate users in enterprise and brokerage by completing eco-friendly tasks. There are daily and weekly change like walking 5 km or reducing partial usage. The use of leaderboard and result cards can enhance user encouragement and certification. We can use green design panel to optimize performance and reduce resource use. One key point is lazy logging. It is log data only when needed, instead of logging everything at once. List and crash logs as your throw. Reading only what's resolvable. This significantly reduces memory and CPU use, especially on low-end devices. EcoApp uses model architecture to support future updates. Each model can be derived, test, and replaced independently. We can use point-based searches to easily add new features, like green source or social function. The UI is decoupled from basic logging, and APIs are unified for easy integration. To ensure we can quickly adapt to regulation change and new user needs. In conclusion, EcoApp shows how software can support sustainability. We are made for we have made 4 key contributions: a flash background project, smarter caching and lazy loading, graphics design to encourage eco attention. As the project development, I realized that there are many behavioral changes to consider. First, as the number of features increase, it could become harder to keep the app lightweight and smooth. One problem solution is to optimize the class and user better clearing and including techniques to many performance. Another important point is data architecture. As people become more aware of environment issues, they may expect more accurate combine-for-play results. Therefore, we may need to improve the computation model to ensure that the data are quantified reliable. For the user experience side, I think there's room to grow. In the future, we could use AI to provide personal eco-suggestions based on user behavior. Also, attending social factors like twin change or eco-commission meant increase moderation and user interaction. Of course, at the same time, it is very important to protect user data and privacy. Overall, I believe sustainable software is not a phase growth, but a long-term journey. By building a feasible and modular system, we can make sure that EcoApp conclusion growth and adapt to new needs, technological and environment trends. Thank you for your listen.